Problem 5. Tom, Dorothy, and Sammy went on a vacation and agreed to split the costs evenly. During their trip, Tommy paid 105, Dorothy paid 125, and Sammy paid 175. In order to share the costs evenly, Tammy, right, gave Sammy T dollars, and then Dorothy gave Sammy D dollars. What is T minus D? First of all, it makes sense, right? Because if you spend $175, right, that's too much money. So other people must owe you money because you spend more than them. So first of all, they agree to split the costs evenly. So effectively, when T transfers T dollars and D transfers T dollars and D transfers D dollars, then what happens is that everyone will ultimately have net paid the same amount. But the net pay amount cannot exceed the total amount of costs that went down. So the total that each person did, right, at the end should be 105 plus 125 plus 175 divided by 3. Summing this, we get 300, which now becomes 405 divided by 3, which is the same thing as 135. So each person ultimately paid $135, or should have paid $135. Now, Sammy obviously paid way over $135, right? And so when Tammy gave Sammy the amount of money, how much did he have to give? Well, 105, right, plus T, because that means he incurred T expenses, right, has to be equal to 125 plus D, right, and it has to equal 175 minus T minus D. And so basically just isolate it. This is equal to this, and this is equal to this. Now, what we have here now is that 105 plus T is 175 minus T minus D. So 2T plus D is 70. And we also know if we isolate this and this, right, what do we have? We have 125 plus D is 175 minus T minus D. So that means 2D plus T is equal to 50. So 2D plus T is equal to 50. That's a system of equations, so we can solve it. That's 2, that's 4, and that becomes 100. Now we subtract it out. 3D is equal to 30. That means D is equal to 10. If D is equal to 10, T must be equal to 30. D plus T is therefore the total, or T minus D rather, will be 30 minus 10, so that would be 20, and so your final answer will be answer choice B.